What is up, fam? Welcome back to another episode. We're here at the Knob. It's gonna be fun. Everyone's getting their breakfast in them. We're getting ready to get up the hill. Let's take a little walk through camp. We're in Virginia. Where in Virginia? Don't know. We talking shop over here?
What up, what up? Dude? It's a little cold, so I think we're gonna go with some more slippy wheels. It's gonna be a good day.
Yeah.
We got the GoPro.
I'm about to do the same thing. I'm about to mess with my board. This is where I'm at.
Finally, he wants to go, and he realizes he doesn't have his wallet.
Oh my god, hi.
And he asked me, and I'm like, bro, I don't have any.
That's Kevin's dog, yeah.
Kevin's dog, okay.
And you, they went for one run and then discontinued. Wow.
Yeah.
That's because they sucked.
They were all swirled. My wife said we're really swirled.
What's the world, man?
So you see, I don't have anything.
All right, fam. Let's get to the skating. All right, as you noticed, I got the yellow vest on. They had asked me to do some marshalling duties, so I gladly agreed. I'm gonna be down here at the bottom, making sure no cars go up the hill. But in the meantime, just do a couple small little standees. I really like these yellow snakes. I can't wait to really rip them on this good pavement. It's a fun place. Bailey with the water bottle run. This is the finals. Oh man.
First off, thanks to everybody. Thanks for holding it down. You're the assholes and the other kids on the hill. But we held down. We got the event done. Super easy. We'll have a nice relaxing rest of the day. Congrats to... We got fourth to first?
Yeah.
A minute. I ain't gonna podium on that. Alright, six. So in fourth place, East Coast legend, David Bouvier.
T-boob.
Woo! Third place, straight out of Richmond, Virginia, we got TC holding it down.
Yeah!
Second place, all the way down from Canada, we got Josh.
Goddamn, boy. Glad you made it.
Like, I don't know if this is like the third or what, but again, we have Kenny taking home the dub at the Outlaw. He's got more bridge boards than any of our riders.
Yeah.
Let's get that pic real quick.
I don't know, actually.
Do it for the gram.
I like get on the gram. Okay.
Yeah.
Take photos and send them to me.
Fuck yeah! Oh yeah.
Look at the weed in it.
It does have a fucking
I have two of them. I bought one and I was like, I can't take it. I only knew when I was too pretty. I love God, so I'm just gonna hang it for
that board. That's tight.
It's so good. I skate. That's my skateboard is. Yeah, like I use that skateboard all the time. It's my favorite setup. It's 34 inches long. Me too, dude. Like 10.75 wide.
Kenny has.
Yeah, she's like everybody else getting there.
She's like, come on, boo.
Come on,
I know, right? She's like, can we go, guys?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wait, actually. Hey,
Party time. Thank you to everybody for being so flexible.
So because the cops had their way, this is now turned into a hike section, and we're gonna session this corner. Oh yeah. I got the shutdown.
So it's pretty hike all the way up and you gotta shut down. You're gonna go into the beat grinder down at the bottom. Just 32 skater pile up. I mean, it's like you can't pass that one. You just gotta ram right in. You know?
Oh, sorry, buddy. Unfortunately, no. Damn. Definitely got my glove on that one. Okay, so I was talking to the camera died, and it is now a couple hours later because I was kind of stuck up there at the top, and I took a ride down to the bottom, and I went and got a battery for my GoPro, and now I'm gonna hike back up to the top, take a few more runs. Sun's getting real low in the sky, and I'm running out of time, so let's hike. All right, this guy was nice enough to offer us a ride up.
Rob, this cool? I'm good.
Yeah, that's fine. Top or just top of the corner? No, thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. So I didn't get a full-on run, but this is the best I'm gonna get.
You good?
Yep, we're good. Send it, brother. Oh yeah. Okay. So this is open road, no spotters. Thank you, Aiden. Didn't need a glove down there. Thank you, Mrs. Aiden. fun. Yeah! Ooh, peppers and onions.
Just peppers.
Just peppers? That's still fucking good though.
A little bit of garlic, a little bit of...
Oh god, that looks so good.
Just doing that thing, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, hell yeah.
Good day out there.
Yeah, hell yeah.
You too.
Anybody lose a GoPro?
Yeah, I've been practicing.
Anybody lose a GoPro Max?
I want, yeah, the paster thing. Yeah, I want the paster thing and snake shoot.
All right, fam. That's gonna be a wrap for today. I had a blast. I can't wait to come back here. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay positive. Keep riding your skateboards and your snowboards. Peace, guys.
Yeah. That is a dilemma.
Oh, you want to move that stuff real
Yeah,
quick?
that's
I think he heard us.
thanks.
Just go right up and match.
If I can fit, I will fit, but in this case,
No,
I
it's
couldn't
true.
fit.
Yeah, exactly.
That's a rare case where I
It's
can't
true.
fit.
It's true. I consider that, yeah, pretty frequent too.
I am a squeezer though.
Yeah. It's amazing because you can see your car, you know where it is.
I'm full. I got 3.
Unless there's skits and we're going.
Yeah.
It's in the igloo cooler.
I'm definitely full here.
Yeah, for sure. There's a kitchen.
Yeah. I got like 10 skits points if you can make it.
Yeah, exactly. Nice.
It's alright, it's just plastic.
This is a treatment.
How you doing back there?
I'm good.
Good.
So a couple folks have ridden this a little bit, right?
It's sort of silly too. It doesn't.
I know.
But yeah.
You know, that kind of double kick would be a good board to do.
Yeah.
Toe down really slow and then kind of slide.
Yeah.
Nothing big and stable.
It's a little annoying when you have to squeeze on a tight corner. But you figure it out.
Give me a huge favor. Thank you, but I'm Irish, so I'm good. You can do it, my friend. No, you did.
Oh, my ankle.
No! Wait, okay, you didn't see that, did you? That's like fucked up.
Thank you. Oh, dude, hey, bro, we're all good, bro. We're all good.
All right, let's get to that.
I love you guys.
I'll give it a go, and if not, I'll send it off.
What car are you using to impact it?
The bug?
There's a lot of heads in there.
I was in the back seat.
It's got one of those.
It does. But it's a short trip, you know, I didn't mind. They got the fire going. Yes.
There's a sticker over there that says, Outlaw out, definitely call it.
Fucking dude, I imagine. I can put my car in neutral. Do it at like 80 miles an hour. No doubt.
Bye.
I live in DC now. This part though is
I know you said it was nice, but this is like... No, it's fully sick, dude.
Yeah,
I said we were gonna come up. I just like...
I know.
I didn't want to deal with the car to get up with the sunset.
Oh no, I'm not even thinking that. I'm just saying, like you mentioned, we'll go up here. Like, I wasn't worried about that, but it's like really cool. I don't know. I wasn't trying to like. I guess I wasn't hyping it up. But I wasn't saying it wasn't good.
I feel like this is on par with the other. Thank you very much.
I want to have another, but I'm like.
I don't know, dude. You're sending it.
Here, I'm sorry.
Yeah. You're good with
Yeah.